Ever tried to use an online platform only to hit a wall because of your location? It's a frustrating experience, especially in today's global digital economy. And for many in Nigeria, a common question arises when looking into various financial services. Does Uphold work in Nigeria? It's a crucial question, given Uphold's reputation as a versatile platform for trading cryptocurrencies, fiat currencies, and even precious metals. People worldwide use it for its ease of use and broad asset support. But the reality of global financial services is that availability isn't universal. Regulations, operational complexities, and a host of other factors can determine where a platform can and cannot offer its full suite of services. So, let's get straight to the point and unravel the situation for Uphold in Nigeria. Here's the direct answer. As of 2025, Uphold is generally unable to offer new accounts to users in Nigeria. This means if you're a new user based in Nigeria, you won't be able to sign up and create an Uphold account. Now, what about those who already had accounts? For existing customers in Nigeria, access to Uphold services may be limited, and in some cases, there might even be a requirement to close their accounts. This isn't unique to Uphold. It's a reflection of the evolving regulatory landscape and compliance requirements that financial platforms must adhere to in various jurisdictions. Uphold, like any legitimate financial service, must comply with local regulations, and these regulations can impact service availability. The primary reason behind these restrictions often boils down to regulatory compliance. Financial regulations are in place to prevent money laundering, terrorist financing, and to protect consumers. These regulations vary significantly from country to country. For a platform like Uphold, operating globally means navigating a complex web of legal frameworks. If a country's regulations become too stringent, or if there are specific requirements that the platform cannot meet without compromising its global operational model, it may choose to limit or cease services in that region. While Uphold is available in over 140 countries and supports a vast array of assets, Nigeria, unfortunately, falls into a category where new account creation is not supported. This isn't necessarily a reflection of Uphold's capabilities, but rather its adherence to the specific legal and financial environment within Nigeria. So, if Uphold isn't an option, what are the alternatives for Nigerians looking to engage with cryptocurrencies and other digital assets? The good news is that the crypto space in Nigeria is vibrant, with several platforms offering robust services. Here are some popular and reliable alternatives. Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance remains a popular choice in Nigeria. While there have been some past issues with Naira services, Binance generally allows Nigerian users to sign up and trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies. They often provide peer-to-peer, P2P, trading options, which can be a convenient way to buy and sell crypto using local currency. Bybit, this is another well-regarded exchange that offers spot, P2P, and derivatives trading. Bybit's P2P platform is particularly useful for converting Naira to cryptocurrency and vice versa, often with zero transaction fees. KuCoin, known for its extensive selection of cryptocurrencies, KuCoin is a good option if you're looking to explore a wider variety of altcoins. Luno is often praised for its user-friendly interface, making it a good choice for beginners. It also supports deposits and withdrawals in Nigerian Naira. Gate.io, this platform offers a comprehensive suite of services, including spot trading, futures trading, and P2P trading, with a competitive fee structure and a vast selection of cryptocurrencies. When choosing an alternative, always prioritize platforms with strong security measures like two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for assets, and a good reputation for customer support. It's also wise to check their fee structures and supported payment methods to ensure they align with your needs. While Uphold might not be the answer for Nigerians seeking to open new accounts or fully utilize its services, the crypto landscape in the country is far from barren. Numerous other reputable platforms cater to the Nigerian market, offering a wide range of services for buying, selling, and trading digital assets. Do your research, understand the features and fees, and choose a platform that best suits your financial goals and risk tolerance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.